Hello everyone, and a beautiful day to you. A man described as one of the most wanted kidnapping suspects operating in part of Delta State has reportedly been captured following a dramatic gun battle inside a forest hideout. The operation, which also led to the rescue of a kidnapped woman, is being seen as another significant breakthrough in the fight against kidnapping in southern Nigeria. However, security agencies say the operation is far from over, as several members of the gang reportedly escaped during the exchange of gunfire.
We are somewhere in Ogwashuku, by Zungu, Adonta Road. So, how many of you follow kidnap the woman?
Not 3.
Who's gonna kidnap the woman?
Today, 6 days.
6 days now. Okay. So, which kind gun are who?
Now, pump.
Pump. How many gun?
Now, 1.
Where you from come?
Me?
Your state, where?
Me, I drive from Niger.
Okay. Where you from come? Not be different Niger. Where you from come? Your state, where they for born you?
Niger.
Niger. So, who can I come? Who can I come Ogwashuku?
Nobody, now me come to myself.
There are 2 people, I take meet them.
No, I hear us.
And I can't go do the work.
I can't enter.
So, how much I collect from this woman?
1,500,000.
So, your other 2 members, where they now?
2 people.
Where follow you go kidnap?
Now, for instance, the time where I hear with the talk for bush. At that time, around.
The big question is, could the arrest of the suspected Kingpin help dismantle one of the region's most active kidnapping networks, or will the remaining gang members regroup and continue their operations? According to reports, the suspect, identified as Abubakar Usman, was captured during a joint operation carried out by the Delta State Police Command's Anti-Kidnapping Squad and the Safe City Security Service. The operation reportedly took place inside the Okwashi-Ugu Adonta forest, where security operatives believe the gang had established one of its hideouts. The security operation followed the kidnapping of Mrs. Blessing Chiedu, a native of Umuneke Kingdom, who was reportedly abducted on July 2nd, 2026, along the Ani Ifekde Farm Road in Obulu, Ugu. According to reports, the kidnappers demanded a ransom of 100 million naira from her family. Details of the operation were shared by human rights activist Harrison Kwamnishu, who said he immediately alerted security agencies after receiving information about the abduction. According to Kwamnishu, officers from the Delta State Police Command's Anti-Kidnapping Squad, led by CSP Osapolo, responded by launching a coordinated rescue operation. He stated that investigators also utilized what he described as the Hydra-Tech surveillance system to track the movement of the suspected kidnappers. According to his account, the operation resulted in the successful rescue of Mrs. Blessing Chiedu alive and unharmed along the Obulu-Ono Ashama Road. Rather than ending the operation after the rescue, security teams reportedly continued searching for the fleeing suspects. According to Kwamnishu, surveillance technology later helped locate the gang's hideout deep inside the Okwashi-Ugu Adonta forest. Security personnel then moved into the forest, where they reportedly encountered armed members of the gang. A gun battle followed. According to Kwamnishu, security operatives overpowered the suspect during the exchange of gunfire. He stated that Abubakar Usman was captured alive, while several other suspected gang members escaped into the forest carrying their firearms. The activists further alleged that preliminary investigations indicate the suspect and his gang had been responsible for multiple kidnapping operations across Ibodo, Umuneke, and neighboring communities. According to him, the gang allegedly collected millions of naira in ransom from victims' families over an extended period. Kwamnishu praised the Delta State Police Command and several security organizations that participated in the operation. He also acknowledged the support of local government officials, community security groups, the Nigeria Forest Security Service, and community leaders who assisted during the rescue mission. According to him, cooperation between technology, community intelligence, and security agencies played an important role in locating the kidnappers' hideout. However, despite the claims surrounding the operation, there remains an important official development. As of the time the reports were published, the Delta State Police Public Relations Officer, S.W. Bright Edafe, had not yet issued an official public statement confirming the details of the operation, the arrest of the suspect, or the allegations made against him. That means some aspects of the incident currently rely on statements provided by Harrison Kwamnishu and have not yet been independently confirmed by the police. If officially confirmed, the arrest will represent another significant development in Delta State's ongoing effort to combat kidnapping. Kidnapping for ransom has remained one of Nigeria's most serious security challenges, affecting highways, farming communities, towns, and cities across several states. Security experts have increasingly emphasized that intelligence gathering, surveillance technology, and cooperation between local communities and security agencies are becoming essential tools in tracking criminal groups operating from remote forests. Operations targeting forest hideouts have become more common as security agencies attempt to deny kidnappers safe locations from which they can plan attacks and detain victims. Supporters of intelligence-led policing argue that combining technology with local information can significantly improve rescue operations while reducing risks to victims. At the same time, analysts caution that the arrest of one suspect does not automatically eliminate an entire criminal network. Investigators will likely seek information from the suspect regarding possible accomplices, logistics, weapon supply, communication networks, and other kidnapping operations. Meanwhile, efforts are expected to continue to locate the gang members who reportedly escaped during the gun battle. For residents of Delta State and neighboring communities, the reported rescue of Mrs. Blessing Chiedu offers hope that coordinated security operations can produce positive results. However, the continued escape of other suspects also serves as a reminder that the fight against kidnapping remains an ongoing challenge requiring sustained intelligence, community cooperation, and effective law enforcement. As Nigerians await an official statement from the Delta State Police Command, many will be watching closely to see whether further arrests follow and whether the reported capture of Abubakar Usman marks the beginning of dismantling of another major kidnapping network. For more updates and in-depth analysis, stay with us on News Express. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am Cassie Tony, and a beautiful weekend to you.